what we have here is another Casablanca Delta. This one being from 1984. And the first thing that really stands out about this is that the blades are not Casablanca blades. So the reason I got this, not only was it 15 minutes from where I live, but it was cheap and it had a nice set of Casablanca cane blades, which I ended up using for another fan. So now this fan is paired with these blades. Walnut finish. And don't get me wrong, they still look pretty nice, despite the fact that they're a little bit in rough shape. But I still think they look pretty nice as far as like the color goes and all that. The cane was also starting to fall off of a couple of these blades, so I just super glued that back on. And also the flywheel of this fan is kind of questionable. It's not dry rotting or anything, but if you look closely, those rubber arms in the center there are quite bent. Start off on low. This fan is still rocking the original bearings in that motor, which are still mostly quiet. The torque of that motor over the years, just going like this all the time on that flywheel, just really did a number to that flywheel. So as far as how much life is left in that flywheel, I really don't know. It looks like it can hold up for another long time. It's not going to break or anything, so I really don't see why it wouldn't last for another long while. And this fan does use an Asterson motor. We'll bring it up to medium. Runs very smooth. We'll bring it up to high speed. Pretty powerful, as expected. No wobble at all, which is always nice. And we'll go ahead and do spin down. It is also missing that little centerpiece in the switch cap because I had to use that for another fan as well. And that's all I have for this bright brass Casablanca Delta from 1984.